Good morning everyone. Good morning class 12th. Yes, class 12th. And this is specifically for geography students. Yes students. Now I'm going to start with the first chapter of your part B book. Part B, India and its economy, in which I am going to take up the first chapter, that is population, right? So as we have discussed earlier in the junior classes also, like in class 9th and in class 10th, we have discussed this topic population. So it is very common topic, and if I'll ask you that what is population is all about, what we have studied earlier, yes, India is the second populous country in the world, right? China is at the first number, right? So now today's video, in this I'll take up that small topic, that is population distribution, right, and its factors. So I'm going to show you that what is population distribution is all about. If we talk about India, first thing, India has highly uneven pattern of population distribution. I have already underlined these points. Yes, if we talk about India's population, it is highly uneven. Yes, why? Because if we see Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, highly populated. If we see Jammu and Kashmir and northeastern states, the population is quite very less. UP, the largest share of population, followed by Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, and these states along with Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Karnataka and Gujarat account India's total 76% population of the country, right? So we can say these states are quite very high, dense and populous states. Okay, in the other side, in contrary, we have Jammu and Kashmir, we have Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. These states are having a small population. They have large area, but the population is quite less. Now I am coming to the other section of this, that is factors affecting distribution of population. This topic also we have studied earlier in the junior classes. First, the physical factors. Second, the socio-economic and historical factors. First, I am going to take up the physical factors. If we will discuss about physical factors, climate along with the terrain means the surface. So climate along with terrain and availability of water largely determines the pattern of population. Yes, means for a particular area, what is the climate? It is very hot or it is very cold, and the availability of water, right? This decides the pattern of population and distribution. Means if we talk about India is a kind of subtropical climate, which is neither very hot nor very cold, right? So now, North Indian plains, coastal plains, deltas have high concentration because of favorable physical factors. Yes, if we talk about India, so we have northern plains, we have coastal region, we have deltas, which have high availability of water, and the climatic conditions are quite favorable. That is why we see that more of the dense population is living there. For example, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. And if we talk about the coastal regions, we have Maharashtra, we have Gujarat, we have Kerala, we have Karnataka, right? Okay, and on the other hand, if we see mountains, if we see deserts, these areas of our country, these are either very cold or too warm or dry. So we can see that the population is quite less in these areas. So these are the physical factors. Now I am going to discuss with you socio-economic and historical factors. So socio-economic and historical factors. Socio-economic means the factors which have a social impact, right? So here, evolution of settled agriculture, agricultural development, pattern of human settlement, development of transport network, industrialization, urbanization are the significant factors which determine the population. Yes, means the development of agriculture, the development of industrial sector, the development of urban areas. As we see these days also, we see the migration from rural to urban areas. We want to live the places which are highly developed. So these are the social factors. And if we talk about the historical factors, so historical factors here, from the past, from the traditional time period, the areas which were developed, like the port areas were developed, like the interior of India was developed, like the areas which have the minerals, which have the different industries like mining and industrial towns, which areas were the urban centers. If we talk about India, like Maharashtra and Gujarat, cotton textile industries, West Bengal for rice and jute industries, right. If we talk about minerals, so we have a big belt of mineral which includes Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa. So this whole belt is quite highly dense and populous. So these factors also plays an important role, right? So today we have discussed two topics. One, the distribution of population, and the second topic, factors affecting distribution of population, in which we have discussed physical factors and socio-economic and historical factors. So thank you for today.